Hi family friends, welcome back to our channel. Today is my first ever cooking video. Today we're gonna make egg fried rice. And I'm gonna tell you the ingredients. So for our ingredients are oil, jera, mustard seeds, soy sauce, green chilies, curry leaves, ginger, salt, cooked rice, eggs, onions, and carrots. These are all the ingredients we need. Let me start cooking. So first, I'll turn on the stove and put 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. So we're gonna turn on the stove. Oil gets heated. Now add poppy seeds and jera. So let me add them to the pot. Done. Oh, stir the heated oil. The next step is add chilies and curry leaves. And now the curry leaves. Now we're gonna add some ginger. Done. Stir it, and add onions. Mix until onions get brown. Now we're gonna add the carrots. Done. Now we stir again. Meanwhile, while the carrots get boiled, we're gonna break the eggs and whip them. And repeat for 4 eggs. Make sure there are no eggshells in the egg. Let's repeat now. Gently mix the egg and carefully without falling it to the ground. Stir. Now it's stirred. So now we're gonna add some salt and chili powder. Oh, we're gonna add a half spoon. Yeah, I mean half of the powder. So we're gonna stir it now with the salt and chili powder. So carrot is boiled, you can add this mix. Mix properly until it gets cooked. Keep it in medium flame until it gets boiled. Looks like the egg is cooked. Now let's go to our next step. Now we're gonna add soy sauce. Done. And mix again. Now we're gonna add rice sauce. So huge and hot. Hot. Okay, so we're gonna add on my one.
This.
Now we're gonna mix. It's so hard to stir, so I asked my mom's help. Now we're gonna add more salt again to make it taste better. And then just to taste it better. Now let's mix it again. So it looks like our egg fried rice is done. Let's add some chili garlic sauce and our black pepper for more taste. First, we're gonna add our sauce. So now we're gonna add our black pepper. Let us taste our yummy egg fried rice. Yummy! It's so healthy and tasty. You could have it with ketchup if you like. Thank you go off. This is Varshika, and see you in my Black Friday unboxing video.